What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. It's been a while since we did a video, so I'm going to do a little update for you guys, show you what we've been up to, and also we will be coming back, and we got plenty of stuff to film. We just got to get to filming. So the first thing I'll show you guys here, I'll show you the shipping container. We'll go ahead and turn the camera around here. You can see it is a mess. We have been really busy. Well, go ahead and focus in there. We got some bouncers here, hoses. It is Monday, so I got some cleaning to do. We got some bouncers on the trailer. See all our tarps and stuff I just kind of threw in here on Sunday before we did our pickups. And I started the wall, to finish the wall back there. I still got a trimming to put on top and to fix the trimming on the left. And also about half the backside to go ahead and do. But I got way too much stuff in this container. You can see we got popcorn machines right there. The snow cone machine goes in the back, but it went out this weekend, so we got to clean that. We ended up starting a shed so we could get some of the stuff out of here to make room so we could do more videos and all that. We'll go ahead and show you the shed floor. You see I got the trailer right there, the trailer and truck. We got some bouncers on there. We're going to clean these three today. And also clean the tables and chairs back there. They're pretty dirty, so we'll get those cleaned up. See the old Ford, we're putting it to work. Now here's the shed floor. I started this last Wednesday. Went ahead and completed the floor. You see my boys are making good use to it. They thought it was a dance floor at first. But it's going to be a 12 by 16 shed. I'm going to put it, hey Dozer, we're going to put it next to the container. That way for easy access. Just kind of keep everything in one spot so we're not going back and forth. So you got the Jeep truck right there, been doing a little work to it. Got it on by the lift, we had to push it back so I could go ahead and get the floor started. And right now, when everything's in here, this whole side is actually compact because we've got all the chairs, the concession stands, the heaters, the wagon, usually a couple jumpers. See, we got some tables right there. So my goal is with the shed here is to get all that out of the garage so we don't have to worry about welding and grinding and working on the vehicles. All that stuff will kind of be out and out of the way so we don't have to risk damaging it. Show you guys where we're going to put the shed here. I'm gonna actually set up a spot right here. I just kind of marked it out, just kind of give me an idea where I'm gonna set it. And it'll be kind of set back right here. That way I can still park my Jeep and the Plymouth right there. We got it moved out of the way right now, sitting right there. Got mine on the right hand side right there, and my girl's on the left. Which we put that one up for sale, so we'll be selling that one pretty soon. But alright, you guys, I hope you liked the little update. I gotta go ahead and get these clean, get them off the trailer, because we gotta go to Home Depot tonight, get some more wood for the walls of the shed. But as always, if you guys like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you.